to shop, but I think it's safe to say that everybody in this place enjoys shopping, right? No, not really, sir. All right. So basically, today, aside from celebrating with the World Fair Trade Day, we're also launching WFTO Asia's regional campaign, which is called the 100% Guilt-Free Shopping. Alright, and just to give you more information about this one, in the world right now, there are so many problems that are happening, like what Tedrick mentioned a while ago and what you saw in the video clip. There's so much things that are happening in the world. There's so many problems like poverty, climate change, people being exploited, people being discriminated. And as human beings, the question is, how can we live knowing that other people are suffering while we are actually enjoying our lives? So would it be nice if more people are actually enjoying their lives and being happy? And that is how the 100% Guilt-Free campaign was brought to life. Because now we want people to really be informed that they can do something by simply doing something small, by starting somewhere. And by shopping, they can actually help people change their lives, help them, make them happier, and make them better in all aspects. So the 100% Guilt-Free Shopping is actually a regional campaign that we are launching here in the Philippines first, but it will be launched in the 15 countries where WFTO Asia is present at. And I feel very fortunate and feel very blessed that there are 14 people who are actually becoming the face of fair trade here in the Philippines and who agreed to be those people who would make the stand and really champion what fair trade is all about. Some of the international celebrities who have supported fair trade are Emma Watson, I know you know her. Other celebrities are Sir Paul McCartney, Annie Lennox, even President Obama started supporting fair trade. So these are people who are already voicing out their support for fair trade. And the question that we have right now is, when will Philippines start campaigning for fair trade? And the good thing about this is that it will happen today. Because today is the launch of the 100% Guilt-Free Shopper. 14 faces will be the first 14 people who will be championing fair trade in the Philippines and all over Asia. The goal of this campaign is really to encourage 1 million people all over the region before the year ends. So the photos of the people that are here in this exhibit are the first 14 or 16 people who started to support fair trade. But hopefully before the year ends, there will be 1 million people who switch to fair trade. Now the question is, how do we switch to fair trade? The first one is really to buy and support fair trade products. So if you can look around this area, you'll be seeing a lot of fair trade products that are sourced from different parts of Asia. We have products here that came from China, came from India, came from Bangladesh, came from Timor-Leste, all right? And there's actually a booth here where you can taste fair trade coffee for free, so you can taste it here, and fair trade dried mangoes and other snacks as well. Another way to become a switcher of fair trade is by volunteering. There's an area there where you know more information about volunteering. If you are interested in volunteering for WFTO Asia in the 15 countries we're present in, just sign up and we'll give you more information. And the other part to switch to fair trade is by becoming a sponsor. So the money that you will be giving to WFTO Asia, 80% of that will go to our projects that is being allotted for our different projects all over Asia. And the 20% will be used to raise the next peso. So every peso is maximized. Alright? So I won't talk any further. I'll let Tedrick do the announcement just so you'll be able to know who the guilt-free shoppers are and who will be the people who will be the face of fair trade in the Philippines. Again, in behalf of WFTO Asia, we would like to thank everybody who came here in this event to celebrate with us, together with the other millions of people in 73 countries, to celebrate what fair trade is all about. Let me leave you guys with this powerful statement. Fair trade is not just an advocacy, it's actually the solution. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tony. To support fair trade,